picture Y0uth Cl and our chairman?
No, I'll come there.
How many constituency executives have you seen us do?
Abuja from Mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Usel3ss TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
We should get this straight. Have you ever seen me in any picture Y0uth Cl and our chairman?
No, I'll come there.
How many constituency executives have you seen us doing that? If we have been invited, we will go. But we don't know about it.
Not even a legacy project.
May say I don't know which one is the legacy project. But seen one or two projects going on. Even I can't even speak to it because you be saying me to me you are no.
Now are you trying to tell me say there is a gap between the government here and then the party now? Because I like what you said. Maybe if you are it was a party, we are executive member.
Now me as constituency organizer,
yes.
Me as constituency meaning baby are YouTube. Me as constituency organizer, if there is anything at all, say ye kwako Kasoa Y0uth your party for account.
Exactly.
And the organizer plays a pivot role. The constituency chairman shifts us in line.
Okay.
Because the constituency organizer chairman Frew, and then ye Kasoa Y0uth government party for the meta because a my young crown you away remove say the development about. I mean, me want to say picture say fly. Picture near fly, no, so it doesn't give me the exact locations. So what do you want me to do?
And if I can ask you this question, I would Chairman Baha.
He is now championing the government.
But if you say that you tell me say you know nothing about it,
I don't
do something.
No, Obaatampa no be catch also name in a Kasoa. No, we should get this straight. Have you ever seen me in any picture Y0uth Cl and our chairman?
No. I'll come there.
How many constituency executives have you seen us doing that? If we have been invited, we will go. But we don't know about it.
Not even a legacy project.
May say I don't know which one is the legacy project.
But you know, President has given an assignment to the legacy project.
I know. I read from other constituencies, but not from my constituency.
And you know, money has been allocated for those things.
If the money has been allocated, it's with them. I can't answer to that. No, I'm being very sincere and frank. Because send me PCC and I call every chairman want you be some soon maybe about back one actually. Nothing to me answer by Tranto.
And see, like I said, there is division in the party.
Oh, there is no division. The issue is my catcher will say there is government and there is party.
And I'm also picking from what you told me, it's a government about or catch them with
Kuntokwa nani yako kumasia yako yi na mhwe table ba na boys ni ba no how na mo na last course bi na me kumasi last 2 weeks am mo beg ni yi last 2 weeks am ba bo ayi kase da de mani bi kase eso na me zime eso di program go be bi pasia salon pisano wonya hwe ni na ewiem yan fancy so subanya when you go for a piano for fuma mo fu ho ama hota ba nti bi se ya boye ne ehu e ko ba no sa sam kike na nzi da do woni de ma na yefa ayi raf mi ya wini dia kama mi tie wini mi ya fa me honto mi ka chance ba ko na be wo fa mi no before ba abia na ko to so mi abia ni bi na we na fu mo de ba dem ti sam ya de e na so ko jo Woman, I don't know, one can only see that you could have a journey. Woman, one or 2 years. I will be able to be one with the Biaba. Young Chris are buying more than 15. I like Chama. A Juma, your mobile to movie. Now, young collection, you want to Paco, Chasano, Cusano, you have a collection. Now, man, you Papa, what channel? Wouldn't Papa, what channel? Shio, now, man, yes, sir. Man, you have your William and every ya, wouldn't say ya, and then could you crack? And then crack, and then crack, I'll be with you. No, so be able to me see, baby, two table. And you get one. And double way no, and you get one. What was it? Be a quid, not be a quid, be a kid. If you're going to say, I'm not animal here. And you never be at least I'm telling you. Now, in the end, I hope we'll be able to bear more. The match you can't approve. You're leading a 3 day dada. You're leading. You're never talk of good, so they can defend it. And for another journey, I'm hearing your poor match of Muno and your move and near my papa. I'm not going to program maybe. We say you pen for we say now we to forget it. The other come and be at it because here the whole Ghana more than 10 times. We will be any could now maybe the units a new adult buyer, McCarthy in Cameroon. What was it? And no one but I'm many fast say the crowd couldn't queer with the fight to take away. But no boss it. I want to know. It is a time with the baby running. Now, Sana Muyanimo. I don't know if you see a shady idea. I say, if you have a lady as a man, because I my idea. One, the sentence is the nature. It will be a so I be Ghana. No, if it's an call, I know about what is it. One pillow, I record the sentence, and you will be a mobile. Never a moment as soon as you be a fancy. Your children don't quite will be a few, I'm telling you. Because I'm not being because I am a cat call, you know, Fiat or my Fiat, those days, Fiat, or Marco, 120,000 or so to be my Fiat. I'm telling you. Your car, the door near Kasoa Y0uth Cl, and your queen, you pardon, and check the other fees in the court. To be paid a bar and a sentence, and a judge, you had no sentence. It only made the Yaman, no more money to feel straight to prison. On course, I will only do that. It's a cat. Bonnie, appointment at Bonnie over to you. We are the bill, some woman, anybody. Young couldn't feel. I am a crocodile and a catasso, and a Suviana Sukameda. What must say? One thing, Cheddar Quebecoda. I don't like the money to anybody. Or never made that many choices. No, not Bonnie. And then you say, what you want to say, the person with the palace and the Lanquisa. It's what you want to Bonnie Bantan, yet we are young. Young Lanquisa, when we are the media houses, I don't know if it's what must say. When you are the sounds and another day. And it's work up here for 2 years. Tell them yesterday, I'm not quadraning, tell them yesterday. You're not quadraning, say the minister. What Jim Cross MP before? What can't say if you no more hope? What can't an anki tiewa?
Joanna down. Sim with the beer, you can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a rich Ghana for some bar, way anyway, and my mamma. Monsieur, Maki and Sam Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say in because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is intimate because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many will say, "Just hospital and a go san and no woman say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of cancer was I go to me and say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort to my sacrificing discard to what the eye hospitals, and most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, Miss Ombe Fund, free seniors, who so may comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? Now, find a tables net and after the Moki Kaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them call. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a chief imam for common into the queen in a politicians didn't come into the queen in a marketing men on common into the queen now. Obian cannon into the queen in a 2020 they will know the way forward. Yet you come over or no bow or no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa said, ye be a kitting, ye invest kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. I didn't same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, you know, most open kitting. Is any money? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are not catching you. I don't many members all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, or mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John the money, mamma could not, if I say, and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Obama boom, 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 boom. Much Obama kinky government. It's me.
Say dear ko ye kwade menu now to me who letter be a yoko for Troy about Council of State member Bota region. Now Miss Films, hey, Ramona Chapa ya happiness say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff and man number one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh the paneboa.
Oh sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and kwa baby akwa dan. And then number one. Yes. Not just say. What's in Ukraine during say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply gold no over 75%. Omukos wa na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account. Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the only case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by I say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is ABP.
Raymond,
very soon who recordings are ABP.
Ajiegu.
And this state institutions are. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my